Yeah, so we are introducing Wake Up Wine here. This is a new product that's made by the same guys as the folks who made the Magic Bullet Blender. A guy named Dean.
Oh, that's right.
A guy named Greg and Sandra. I met with them yesterday in Napa. This is the official unboxing of their product. They just now brought it to market, so let's see if we can get into this sucker here. What this is kind of a piece of technology that allows people to decant their wine electronically. It's called Wake Up Wine. If you can see from the box here that it's got a base, and then sitting on top of that base you have a decanter, and when you pour your wine into the decanter and then stick it on the base and turn it on, it starts to create a centrifugal force around the wine. As you can see, it starts to kind of do a vacuum suction.
Wow.
What ends up happening is it aerates the wine.
Mm-hmm.
And so for different types of wine, there's different amounts of time that you would stick it on here. So anywhere from 5 minutes for maybe a Pinot, all the way up to 10 minutes for, say,
Sure, that makes sense.
wine. So it comes with like a little, a
little how-to guide.
3 to 6 minutes, and it also does spirits.
3 to 6 minutes. Wow.
It does spirits, and it also does coffee, cold brew coffee.
No kidding.
So you can do tequila, you can do mezcal, you can do any of that stuff.
Anything you want to mix, basically. It's very similar to what you see like in a lab.
Yeah, so here's the unit here. It has a little plug-in that probably it charges it up. It also plays music. So it hooks to your phone while you're waiting for your wine to decant.
That's just a nice little bonus feature.
You're able to listen to some tunes, so it's kind of fun. It's a nice conversation piece.
Pretty cool.
So these units I think go for $2.99 is the cost of the unit, and it looks like the packaging comes pretty nice too.
Wow, yeah.
You can see there's a little area here in the bottom of the decanter that has kind of the spinner that spins it, and then pour the wine, and ta-da.
Very cool.
So we'll do another taste test with the before and after, maybe as a second video. But yeah, it's a nice little unit.
Pretty neat. Yeah, a little magnet, I'm sure, spins that.
And it's got a, let's see here, it comes with a little filter. And it also comes with a cap, a nice heavy cap. So if you don't want to drink it all in one go,
I'll actually seal it up.
You can cap it up, and there you are.
Pretty cool.
We'll give you a second review when we pour some wine into it.
All right, sounds good.
Thanks, Nick.
Thanks, Adrian.